This is the #1 reason why you want to stay here with the sisters. They have their own chapel, and you can come here. Jesus is present here in the Holy Eucharist in the Tabernacle. I don't know if you can see it, but beautiful view of the enormous patio. Look down into the valley, which is incredible.
Here with insider analysis of all of this and more is Vatican consultant for CBS News, priest of the Diocese of Assisi, Monsignor Anthony Figueredo. Monsignor, thank you for being here.